Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota RAV4 key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality to your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob casing apart. Be mindful not to use excessive force, as the plastic can be delicate. The two sections should separate with minimal effort, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is typically the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert the new CR 2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. This ensures proper contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the key fob's functions, such as locking, unlocking, and the panic button, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Enjoy your fully functional key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.